strength of any structure is in the foundation, and building this foundation can be difficult. As president, my focus is on strengthening this foundation for Zambia's future. How, you ask? By making sure there is enough food for all, by providing an education for all, and by creating more job opportunities for all. I know we have more to do, but we must do it together.